The month of August is a month of national celebration without any boundaries of religion, caste or race. India got freedom on the 15th of August 1947 and the day we celebrate with love and ravishment. We all love reading or listening those patriotic stories, sacrifice of heroes and their unforgettable struggle. We all know about Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Mahatma Gandhi and Chandrasekhar Azad. But the story is not only this short. That was the time when every Indian who dreamed for the freedom made a contribution the way he could. It was not just about direct fight or protest or revolt, but the tremendous effort was taken by the poets, writers, singers, and of course by the artists also. Though the contribution of artists is not really that much popular. But on this Independence Day, when we have more reasons to celebrate the freedom of Akhand Bharat, I am going to share with you a painting by the greatest artist of India, which helped to unite the nation and evoke the emotion of nationalism and patriotism. And even today, when we see the painting or replica of that painting, we feel nationalist. Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Art and Story. When British government started education in India in all Western pattern, and even the arts colleges and artists started working in Western style only, Abanindra Nath Tagore, the nephew of Shri Rabindra Nath Tagore, created a movement to bring back our own authentic Indian art style. He gave a new life to dying Indian art, and today he is regarded as father of modern art. Abanindra Nath Tagore was a great artist, and he was the one who created the very first painting of Bharat Mata. He was also associated with many national movements. So how does he created Bharat Mata, and why Bharat is depicted as a Devi? We all know, since the Vedic time, we worshipped Prithvi as Devi. Worship of earth was an age-old concept, well ingrained in Indian psyche. Soon the earth was associated with land, and during independence movement, land became synonymous with motherland. The concept of motherland became very famous in nationalistic literature at that time. In 1873, the idea of Bharat Mata was formed in a play by Kiran Chand Bandyopadhyay. In 1882, Bankim Chand Chatterjee wrote a novel, Anand Mat, and in that novel, he introduced one hymn, Vande Mataram, which became clarion call for the independence movement. And in 1905, Abanindra Nath Tagore drew the first painting of Bharat Mata. Actually, this painting was drawn as a Banga Mata, personification of an undivided Bengal, because at that time, British government was trying to divide the Bengal. In this painting, Tagore has depicted women as a nation, which was a very revolutionary depiction and was created keeping in mind the Swadeshi movement and the patriotic fervor of that time. Abanindra Nath Tagore's Bharat Mata is quite unique from the image people had in their mind. As we can see in this painting, Bharat Mata is a very beautiful young woman. She is having 4 arms and halo behind her head, like a Hindu goddess Saraswati or Lakshmi. The figure has been created in the center of the painting. She is standing near a lotus pond. She is wearing a saffron color sari with fair complexion and golden body. The facial features are quite Indian, and the entire rendering is quite symbolic. In her 4 arms, she is holding something. Here she is holding a piece of cloth, and in this hand a Rudraksh mala. Here is a manuscript, and in this hand bunch of rice foliage. And these things are symbolized as a gift of motherland, Siksha, Diksha, Ann and Vastra. The posture of Bharat Mata is firm. This painting is a mix of spirituality and firmness at the same time. She is having very calm expressions on her face and has a grace in her gesture. Painting was created in watercolor on paper. Since then, many other forms of Bharat Mata has been created, but this painting holds historical significance. In 2016, this beautiful painting of Bharat Mata was put on display at the Victoria Memorial Hall in Kolkata. So friends, I hope you like this painting and hope this video has given you some interesting information on this Independence Day. Hit the like button to show some love to this amazing painting of Bharat Mata. Share this video with all your family and friends so that everybody could feel proud about this patriotic painting and get some interesting information from this. and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And finally, wish you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.